Do you eat potatoes? Do you like them? Potatoes are part of many dishes and are found in many people's diets. Potatoes are a popular food and the world's fourth most consumed food behind rice, wheat, and corn. Incredible, isn't it? But did you know potatoes also have some good uses for health? We talked about it in a recent video. If you want to learn more about it, click on the suggested video. In today's video, you will see some curious uses for potatoes in our daily lives. Salty foods. Put too much salt in your sauce, soup, or stew? Add a potato, whole or sliced, and let it simmer a little, then remove. The potato will absorb the excess salt from your dish, and you can eat it again. Clean silverware. Letting all your cutlery soak in potato water for an hour cleans the stains that appear in silverware through the years. Clean shoes. Waterproof material, rubber soles, or even suede can be cleaned by rubbing a raw potato over the dirt. Then clean with a cloth or shoe brush. Removing rust. Rub a raw potato with some salt or ashes over rusted objects to get rid of most of the rust. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Remove stains or glue from hands. A quick and healthy alternative for removing stains or glue from your hands. Rub some slices of raw potato over the area. Sparkling new mirrors and glasses. Cut a raw potato in half and rub it all over your glass or mirror. Then use a soft cloth soaked with white vinegar to finish. Cleans the oven. Put some cooked potato skins in the oven and turn it on until hot. The steam from the potato skin will soften the dirt inside it. Then use a damp cloth to clean the oven. Could you imagine that potatoes had so many uses besides culinary? Try these tips and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.